okay. A B C 1 2 3 1 2 3 A okay. Error small capital letter. Okay. And here small. I will try again. A B C 1 2 3 okay. I will try K H and one number, okay. A and I want to add special letter one more and capital letter one more, okay. So it is complex password, and then I will remove this class. And this one. Okay, we start to write JS together. And JS in here, I write the class new of file kh plus wd dot js, okay. Mày cũng ai chẳng bọc cọc cho lấy cọc cho chứ nhỉ. Okay, in DCS I use the and function in here, okay. So I would like to create jQuery plugin for this, okay. Just the syntax dot sn dot kh. I use the kh plus wd, okay. So one function of option, okay. I use the need option and okay. And then I test alert for, okay. In login form I will include this JS in here. Create password. Also I need under the bottom I call this function script document already function, okay. So I like to the class name I will call its id, okay. The last name id dot kh function, okay. Okay, it is a lot. So this function is working from it, okay. And now we start to write this plugin together. And I declare variable this call this, okay. And then I will create the function to create my function we return, okay. Return in here in return I will create function create, okay. Create function okay. So in this function the first time I would like to generate HTML structure in here. So I will remove it from HTML. In here I will the command, okay. I need to generate it from jQuery base, okay. Copy and declare variable HTML, okay. Pass. So I will type in copy and pass here. Oh, so I would like to add class. I will remove class on, okay. Capital class small class number special character, okay, and then this, okay, this dot append để atm okay. So in here, okay, don't have. So I would like to call method create, okay. In here I to scroll down, dot create in here like this. So then this way console. Close before respond 18 or so I will test to find HTML. It's wrong. Append is okay. Yeah, append input deal. It is wrong. Okay. So I will close it, and then this the line like this dot html append so I would like to use this class back and here, okay, it is so and then I will use the function to write that. So variable in input mà this dot find in input, okay. So and then body dot delegate này so I use the other function and the này input dot on key up function e, okay. So variable tt mà this dot và value, okay, alert txt, okay, and then I take, okay, it is wrong. Okay, d, okay, for so and then I want to protect and I want to protect key and enter, okay. Variable key code for e dot key code, and then I use the each condition e dot key code. Okay, so I will take to alert key code, alert key code, and then okay, enter number, okay, 7 13, okay, key code is trying to do here. Return file, okay. So I will create pattern to validate here. So variable pattern copy new regular expression and a to set its capital letter. Okay. I want to copy. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. SMA small a set and number 0 to 9. 0 to 9. In here, regular expression a set 0. Okay, 9. I want to check the special vector SPC. Not in capital letter and number. It is the special character. Okay. This symbol not in. Okay. And then I would like to create function. Validate pass wd equal function. Okay. tet in here. So in here I console dot log. Okay. Console dot log txt. And in here I would like to inspect element. I set like this, and it is so small. I need okay, console. I remove then before level error keep warning. Okay. Add all. Let's copy here like this. Set that to bottom. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, remove. Okay, so I will touch. I will call this function here. Okay, txt. Okay, so example a b. What the function is not. Yeah. So to write like this back function. Okay. B C. Okay. In here I create the variable num capital equals 0. I will use for loop for I equals 0. I equals t dot t I plus. Okay. So variable và current t equal t dot slide I plus 1 console dot dollar current t. So then I would like to d c I d e. Wow. Error. Select tt number and smartphone and RAN GAT and TH. A B okay. C. Okay, and then is pattern the capital dot test and current type is true. So num capital plus. Okay, and then it's after loop finish I said is num capital equal 3 in here equals dot find I that have flag capital cap in capital dot add class on. Okay, L in here remove class on. So let's test together. A D E, okay, C D, okay, E, okay. It is work for small capital letter, 3 letter, and at least 3 special character. It is your exercise. Please try to read commit. Okay, thank you.
Okay, now I would to verify the small letter, special character, and number. Okay, is pattern small dot test current text is true. Num. Okay, I will declare Ribo num Ribo num equal 0 Ribo num SPEC means special character. Okay, num small plus is pattern number dot the test current text num plus. Okay, is pattern special character dot test current text. Okay, number special character plus. Okay, and then I will copy path here. And then num small. Okay, and then I will class small, and then I copy a class num and then class special character. Okay, A B C 1 2 3 1 2 3 A. Okay, error small capital letter. Okay, and here small. I will try again. A B C multi by 1 2 3. Okay, I will test K H and one number. Okay, A and I want to add special character one more and capital letter one more. Okay, so it is complex password, and then I will remove this class. Which one? Okay, if you love my video, please subscribe and share my video. Okay, and again ABC 1 2 3 4 special character number. Okay, thank you.